Hello friends, welcome to the Techie Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS new Vivobook S series. So friend, ASUS announced brand new ASUS Vivobook S series laptop for 2024, designed for a sleek and lightweight lifestyle. And these laptops, all featuring ASUS Lumina OLED display option, are driven by up to latest AI-enabled processors from AMD and offer exceptional performance. The series includes the 14-inch ASUS Vivobook S 14 OLED M5406 and 15.6-inch ASUS Vivobook 15 OLED M5506 and the 16.0-inch ASUS Vivobook S 16 OLED M5606. All Vivobook S series laptops are not only powerful but also lightweight, making them perfect for individuals who need both productivity and entertainment while on the move. And friend, the latest 2024 ASUS Vivobook S series laptops are equipped with up to AMD Ryzen 8040 series processor, boasting a TDP of up to 50 watts and built-in AMD Ryzen AI solution for efficient performance in modern AI applications. A dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard allows users to effortlessly dive into Windows 11's AI-powered tools just on one press, and the laptop provides lifelike vision through ASUS Lumina OLED display, offering resolution of up to 3.2K, 120Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, VESA DisplayHDR True Black, 600 certification. The ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, known for its style and comfort, now features a customizable single-zone RGB backlighting, and there is an external ErgoSense touchpad and friend prioritizing user experience. It includes flat 180-degree hinge and IR camera with a physical shutter and full range of I/O ports. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.